president, who will you run with? Or if you do consider presidency, who will be your vice president?
Babae talaga yan, ma'am. Actually, ganito yan eh. I think that what, pardon me if I'm too presumptuous about it, but I think that most of you came here just to listen and maybe to know whether I am in the hustings already for the president. Sabihin ko sa iyo, wala talaga. I am sorry, but talagang wala sa, wala na sa, sabi ko nga, hindi ko na panahon. I never aspired for any national position, but he's still alive. After alunan, gusto ni Presidente Ramos, ako yung DILG. I said, sir, hindi ko type talaga yung national. Actually, I do not like Manila. Ano dito eh. Gulo, tapos traffic. Then, kay Erap, sabi niya minsan, DILG, or sabi niya, ikaw na lang yung customs commissioner ko na. Sos Mario Joseph, sir. Bigay mo yun sa iba, hindi ko type yung customs. Mamatay ako dyan. Sigurado, papatay ako talaga dyan. Then, kay Ma'am Gloria, the last offer was Secretary of Defense. Nandiyan si Colonel Esperon, General Esperon. Gusto ni Presidente Arroyo I'll take over from Norberto Gonzales. Ayaw kasi ng military si Norberto. I don't know, but he's a good man. And itong Pinoy, to the day that he took his out of office, there was really no secretary for local governments. And I said he will just hang on himself to the position. So at that time, Ochoa was calling me if I could dare to sabi ko. Ayaw ko. Vice President, wala akong ganawa. Kung ako ang Vice President, I will kabal with some military men. Patay ko ng Presidente, bakit pa ako maghintay na? 6 years in the waiting. Hindi mo naman sigurado kung ikaw ang susunod.
Yes, go ahead.
I think that you're not running for president. What do you think of Vice President Binay, Senator Grace Poe, and the ILG Secretary Barron? I think they're all presidentiables, and sooner or later they'll be proclaiming their candidacies for the top post.
They're all good officials. They are in the national scene. Pwede silang lahat. And of course, Binay has may burden lang sa dyan sa, sabi niya, false accusations. Well, let us see. Po naman kang survive the presidency by getting the best of the Filipinos, the best and the best and the brightest. All of them. Ganun rin. Kaya nga, sabi ko, I cannot endorse any one of them because they're all my friends. I want them to smile to me we meet in the future na walang sama ng loob sa'yo. If I retire, kung balik yung anak ko, if you consider running again for mayor, I will retire from public life. I'm done. Because alam mo, ganito yan eh. When I am spent politically and I grow old with so much medical issues, to whom shall I go for refuge? To the people in Malacanang, and who would feed you and buy your medicines? It's your family. Yan ang takbuhan mo at the end of the day, pamilya talaga. Kaya everywhere I go, sabi talaga nila na and when I say that I'll be running, I will have a rebellion in my own backyard. So what am I supposed to do? Alam mo kasi, isa rin yan is, hindi pa ako, I have not tasted defeat in politics. I have, behind you, 8 elections. Mayor, congressman, mahirap na maghanap ka pa at this age. So, maghanap ka pa ng disappointment. You know, I said, I will be old. But can I overcome the stress of defeat? Yeah, you want to retire comfortable, mind and Eh, kung makatigim ka ng talo, mahirap yan. Sabihin lang at tao na, si Kato, ito, si ano, corrupt, itong ano, gano'n. Eh, tapos niya, bakit mo akong gawin excuse? The matter nila, kanila yun. But do not make me an excuse just because they are not qualified by your standards. I am really very sorry, but I have to be very frank. I cannot go on this false pretense na papatindig ako dato so that people will see me and maybe consider me as I really do not need it. I'm sorry.
Ayaw ko talaga. Kasi sinabi na pag nilagay destiny is God. O ngayon kung nilagay ako ni God dyan, sabi ko, nangiiyak, si God talaga. Sinabi ko sa iyo, God, give that destiny to others who need it, who badly needs it.
So we have time for one last question. You have the microphone. Go ahead. Please state your name, sir.
Hi, Marco De Pablo from Jones Lansot. Good afternoon, Mayor. You have continued to dispel rumors of your possible presidential bid. There's a saying that goes, the only way for evil to prevail is for good men to do nothing. If after the outcome of the 2016 election, and the elected president fails to succeed in uplifting our country, would you have any regrets in not pursuing the presidency?
No, I would not. I would just say, I'm very sorry. But I could not make excuse of, you just look at the national scene. They're all here. And you can have, the time to examine them, their competence. Huwag na lang ako. Kasi, madugo rin yan. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, hindi ako upo dyan. Nasabihin ko, after 6 years, I did my best, but my best was not good enough. I would not waste 6 years. Kung ako maging presidente after 6 years, there will be a new government and there will be at least the standard. Sipain mo talo lang dyan. Ang delikado kasi sa akin, I might go extreme. If I cannot get the reforms 6 months to 1 year, I will declare a revolutionary. Tapos yun, all in government are kasos. You hold it hang on there until you are advised to go. Tapos yun natin, I'll have the last piece. You know, I am Rodrigo Duterte. I am a Filipino. I love the Philippines because it is the land of my birth. It is the home of my people. Tapos na ako, ginawa ko na ang kahit kaungan ko sa dalawa. But there was a price for that. It does not, peace and prosperity does not come easy. May bayad yan. At huwag mo na ninyo akong tanongin unless you want me to go to prison. And if you want, you get the evidence from sources, not from my mouth. That would be bad. I mean, ako, I'm no disciplinarian, pero huwag mong gawin ang susunod mo. Hindi kita kong malusot yung magkaroon, especially criminals. Total, sabi ko na, leave the city. Because if you don't, maybe one day, you'll just have to go, might be a horizontal position for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for the things that I have said. I hope you'd understand it. Ganon talaga ako. I ask for your forgiveness. Maraming salamat.